Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can download Genshin Impact on your mobile phone, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do this for iOS because for Android Genshin Impact is not available. So for all the Apple or iOS user, you can follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys so you guys can also download Genshin Impact on your phone. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's start the video. First thing first, want to go to App Store, because in iPhone if you want to download any apps you need to go on App Store. Over here on the bottom you can see the search icon. You want to click on the search icon. Once you're in the search section, at the top where it says the search bar, click on it and write Genshin space IMPACT, and once you search for Genshin Impact should show up. So the first option, Genshin Impact, you can see this little cloud icon. Click on it and it'll start to download, and in your mobile phone it might show you get instead of cloud icon, so it doesn't matter if it is cloud icon or get, just click on it, and once you verify your Apple ID by entering its password, you should be able to download it. It's going to take a bit of time because it's a large game, so after it downloads it's going to appear over here on your home screen. Now it's showing loading, but once it's downloaded, the loading will be complete and you can click on it to play it. So that's how you guys can download Genshin Impact on your mobile phone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, have a nice day everybody.